Everyone has a need to be able to get out to the internet. And as we know, when you have events with, 10, 20, 30, 50,000 people, the cell towers just fail at some point. Hi, I'm Eric Corning. I'm the president and CEO of SEAFAR. It's our 75th anniversary. Every single event site is in multiple locations, and we'll need to be able to have data, Wi-Fi, broadband, and wired connections at all of them. We'll need Wi-Fi to be able to run credit card transactions. At the gates, we'll need to be able to have scanners that are on Wi-Fi. Being able to go manage that has been a problem for us for many, many years. As a small nonprofit, we don't have an IT team. The work that NetTech did to be able to not only bring their people to this, to be able to understand how to be able to expand that across with folks that are not technical people. The team at NetTech was great in being able to do walkthroughs with us on site weeks before the actual events happen, and having them be able to go make a technical plan for that. There's a lot of technical pieces that happen in the middle we've had problems with in the past, which were fixed when the NetTech team came in and kind of assessed, and to be able to kind of pick what hardware matches what we're trying to be able to solve. In the end, it all felt like great service to all the users out there. Like there wasn't complaints like I'm used to getting in previous years where, somebody felt left out in the process. Working with a professional technology organization like NetTech has revolutionized what we can do working remotely, working on our event sites now with being able to have quality Wi-Fi and wired internet services on those locations to be able to make the festival happen.